Good morning, students. I'm so happy to welcome you all for the accounts class. So, my name is Ruth Monica. I am your accounts teacher. So, now we are going to see what is accounting. So, accounting means systematic records of business. So, next we are going to see the need for accounting. So, need for accounting, we have so many business. Individually, they will do the business. That person is called the sole trader. So, sole trader is nothing but individual person can start the business. He can bear the loss and profit. So, transport activities and banking activities, whatever the nature of the business activity, we need money to start the business and also to maintain the business. So after start the business, they need some place for the business have to carry over the place. After that, they need men and material. So without men and material, we are not able to do the business. Example, they start the retailer clothes shop. They are opening the retailer shop first. What they need, we have to locate the shop. It may be a own shop or hire it. We have to pay the rent. So after that, we have to keep the clothes in a showcases, shelves to display the clothes. We have to purchase the clothes in retailer from the wholesaler or straight away from the manufacturer. So we need some salesman to sales the clothes for the customers. For all those things we need money. That money somebody have to provide it. So individual one person have to provide the amount. The the initial the initial one person have to provide the amount. The initial amount is provide the person name is called owner. The amount is contributed by the owner is called the capital. So the capital providing they also bearing the loss. Maybe it is the name of the business to make the profit. So you don't have the guarantee, only you will get the profit. Okay, in all the time we are not able to uh, earn profit, but also we can bear the loss also. It may be a chance. Okay, then so possible incurring the loss name is called a risk. He has to he has to right organize the business and he will run the business in the way how he like it. The business also the business are sole trader or a partnership or a company. So you know very well, sole trader is a only one person can start the business. He can bear the profit and loss. Partnership is nothing but two or more persons join together and start the business with the agreement is called the partners or partnership. So company is group of a person how they forms it under the Company Act. So, what type of business form of organization? So, money need to start and run the business. So, it is necessary to receive the money and spend it proper way. We have to account it why we have to ascertain whether the business getting profit or loss. We are in the need of accounting. So, example, your mommy is telling to buy the vegetables in the market. She gave you a 10 rupees, okay? This is only for the example. So, 1 kg tomato is 4 rupees and 1 kg potato is 3 rupees and 1 kg onion is 2 rupees. So, you have spent only the 9 rupees. So, balance 1 rupees is a one-time fare. So one time fare at you can remember is easily. Okay. Suppose your daddy is giving a 2000 rupees to manage the home for 1 month. At the end of the month, you have to spend it 2000 rupees. You have to account your father. So in your home, you can buy milk, groceries, vegetables, electricity bill pay, whatever you can do it. Do it for home. Almost you will be spending almost every day. So it is not possible to remember daily what all you paying it. You are not able to remember it. Okay. We will be better to write down record. So record is nothing but is an accounting term. So in case we are not able to remember it for the reason, we are putting some notes and write down to record the transaction. So transaction, this word will come in future. I will explain you. So it is not possible to remember. Remember, we write it. That name is called record. We are paying and receiving so many product. Immediately we have to get the receipt or bill. So what we paying it for the product, we have to receive the bill, so that we don't have any doubt, we can able to record the transaction. So this is the simple example of receipt only 2000, but in the case of business is so difficult. In one day itself 1,100 purchase or sales in a period of time, maybe 1 year. You will be having so many receipts and payment. Will it be possible to remember all the hundreds and thousands of transactions that are taking place in our business? That too for 1 year? So sad. So humanity is not possible to remember all the transaction. It is for only 1 year. It's okay, you can able to remember it all the transaction, but it is difficult to calculate. We can able to tell it so much I can spend in a month year, but it is not possible to calculate the net effect or the transaction. Net effect means profit. So it is necessary to record all the transaction that have taken place in the business. Did you understand for what reason we are recording all the transaction in the accounts? It is not possible for the businessman to sit in the cash counter for a whole day. The businessman can get help from her family member to sit in the cash counter. Suppose the business is developing, he may also employ some people to assist them. So, in the case of theft, goods and money theft, suppose the sales amount is does not kept in the cash book. For this reason only, we are maintaining the accounts for the purpose of controlling. So, when we appoint outsider employee, we have to maintain the proper accounts record, how much we receive it and how much we paid it. If we maintain if we maintain the correct account only, we can properly record the transaction. So all the form of organization, even in the partnership cases, it helpful all the transaction recorded. So other partners have to satisfy. So the management of the company have to appoint the manager. Through the manager, they will record all the transaction. So information about the necessary requirement, both internal and external purpose, the management have more information to planning, organizing, evaluating the operation of the business, accounting information we need. So it suppose we are filing the sales tax and the income tax authority, we are paying it. If we maintain the proper account, we can able to show the proof. Okay, one firm is approaching the banking loan for the reason For that reason also we have to maintain the correct account in the business only. In the business only they can provide the loan. Okay. So if you maintain the proper account in the business, they can provide the loan. Okay. So accounting is a necessary not only for the business organization, but also for the non-business organization. So non-business organization means school, library, college, hospital. So accounting is so much important. So accounting is much. So thank you, student. Rest of the things we will be seen in the next class. Okay. Thank you.